Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about the country Japan. Japan is an island country in East Asia. It is situated in the northwest Pacific Ocean and is bordered to the west by the Sea of Japan, while extending from the Sea of Okhotsk is the north toward the East China Sea, Philippine Sea, the Taiwan in the south, and the Japan capital city is Tokyo. Dialing code is +81. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Japan country, they should start in their mobile number +81, then their mobile number, then it will go there. And the currency of Japan country is Japanese yen, YEN. It is very valuable and currency value is very good there. And population is 13 crores, that is approximate. Next point is what Japan is famous for. Japan is known for everything from onsen hot springs and kabuki bars to all-night neon light dance parties and sushi boat restaurants, all of which are decidedly more modern. Next point is Japan a safe country to live in? Ranked the second safest country in Asia in the Global Peace Index, and with Tokyo ranked 5th safest city in the Economist Index, Japan has a reputation for being a secure country to live in and visit. And the next point is what is Japan best at? The country is among the world's largest producers of motor vehicles, electronic equipment and steel. The service sector makes up the highest percentage of the economy in terms of gross domestic product, and Japan is known worldwide for its traditional arts, including tea ceremonies, calligraphy and flower arranging. And the next point is why do people live in Japan? Japanese traditional culture is very special and original, and it is present the beauty of the country. Also, Japan has developed a different culture of futuristic and modern, which is totally different from the former. Japan is the great example where historical, traditional and high-tech modern can coexist. And the next point is the standard of the documents do you need when you apply for Japan visa. Japan visa application form, your passport, passport size pictures, flight itinerary and daily itinerary, proof of accommodation, proof of financial solvency, letter of invitation, and these are the important thing. And then next point is Japan passport requirements. Japan, you must have a valid passport and onward return ticket for tourist or business purposes. Visa free stays up to 90 days. So the visa free stay is also there up to 90 days. Your passport must be valid for the entire time you are staying in Japan. If passport is there, entire time you can stay there, and you can't work on a 90-day visa free entry. But if you want to work, means for 90-day visa free is not allowed to work. So you should take the work permit to work in Japan. This is the information regarding Japan country. Why I did this video is those who are interested to go for a study purpose or travel purpose or business purpose, they should know the fundamentals of Japan country. So that I did this. Wishing you all the best.